Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video we will see the difference between Java and Python programming language. So let's get started. So if we're talking about Java, Java is a general-purpose, high-level programming language developed by Sun Microsystems. And Python is an interpreted, high-level, general-purpose programming language created by Guido van Rossum. Java was first appeared in May 23, 1995 and designed by James Gosling. And Python was first appeared in 1990. In Java we use .java extension to save the code of Java. In Python source code file is saved using .py file extension. Java is a general-purpose high-level and object-oriented programming language. And Python is a multi-paradigm, general-purpose programming language. According to speed comparison, Java is more faster as compared to Python. But Python is slower as compared to Java. Java is statically typed language, means we have to declare the type of variable. And Python is dynamically typed language. We don't need to declare the type of the variable, it is assumed at runtime. Java syntax is more complex, as you see in the example. In order to print hello world we have to write so many lines of code. And in Python syntax is simple, as you see in the example. In order to print hello world we just have to write one line of code. In Java every line is ended with a semicolon, otherwise it will throw an error. And in Python there is no need of a semicolon to end the line. Java uses curly braces to define the block of code. But Python uses indentation to define a block of code. Java is highly portable language because of JVM, Java Virtual Machine, which is found almost everywhere. And Python is also portable but lesser as compared to Java. Java database connectivity is most popular and widely used to connect with database. Python database access layers are weaker than Java database connectivity and rarely used in enterprises. JMonkey Engine is a popular open-source game development engine of Java. And in Python Cocos, Panda 3D are few engines for building games with Python. Java is also used for web development and Spring is the most well-known Java backend framework. And Python uses Django and Flask for backend web development and help to build a powerful backend with high efficiency and security. Only few knows that Java is also used for machine learning and artificial intelligence. But Python become a popular option for machine learning and artificial intelligence. Let's see some of the similarities of Java and Python. Both are programming language. Both uses garbage collection for memory management. Both are parallel popular in the market. Both are best language to master in data science. Both plays a crucial role for IoT development. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.